Table core. Ayun guys. So pwede ka din walking exercise na din, pero mas maganda maglakad pag going down. Here's the view. So ito yung view guys.
Yeah, it's okay. Ganito style ng mga ano nila guys. Bubong. Nice. Nice guy guys. So balik na kami dun guys. Mga tindahan. Mga ganito. So over there kay may rides. Ang cute ng church. Ang cute niya sa kapusat. Okay. Guys, mga ganito tindahan, both sides. Ice cream for today, guys. So, medyo ano na siya, medyo hayag na siya, guys. Kanihapangan, guys, siya. Hindi ka namin ito sa taas or mga... Ito din, guys. Ito yung view. Maski siya.
My services if they'll have me. Well, they'd be idiots to turn you down.
Ganito yung design sa mga bahay.
Narrow stance, walk your head, and shakes the vertical. The fire in his eyes. The nation watches closely, anxiously waiting to see whether science or religion will prevail. Edited and produced by me.
In 13 kilometers, turn right.
Z-Clan for Airship. Audio editing by Christian Ferraga. Sound design by Lalo Bach.
Nice view. The trees.
Some beautiful places.
Up. Mga kauban. First stop for today. Another walking tour, guys. About Jewish quarter.
Name of the synagogue, and it is written in Hebrew over the arch. And you don't need to speak Hebrew to quickly tell me what is the actual name. Here you will find the gravestone on this grave leading from the Lubavsky. Steven Spielberg, when filming some scenes of the Gadget Invasion. For example, maybe you remember there were some scenes when the suitcases were thrown from the first floor on the ground, it was filmed over here. Or maybe there was another scene, you remember, that existed. And after that, we're going to explore the
It's a nice area, guys.
Jewish part of the Jewish city, but in the Catholic part of it. There's a large church behind you. The Corpus Christi, the great in the 14th century.
Nice, guys. Very cool. The river. Kitty kitty.
Julius Play.
Polish lands were called in a very weird manner. It was called Generalgouvernement of the general government. The capital of those occupied lands was Krakow. Okay, so here you can see the styles of the clash of centuries. Because behind you can see pretty fancy new buildings over here, apartment buildings overlooking the apartment. Okay, so let's go upstairs.
Daming chairs nila guys.
Chair there, because that will be one chair alone on its own sitting there.
So, third stop namin today guys. Dito kami sa camp kung saan namatay yung mga tao World War II. Monument pala to guys, monument kung saan yung mga lahat ng mga tao na namatay ng World War II. 1943 to 1945. So yan siya guys. So ito guys. Let's see Victim Memorial. Guys, kayo na lang magbasa kung pila ka thousands ang namatay diri, ang gipatay diri. Almost 6,000 people. So dito yung main area ng camp guys, kung saan 35,000 na people ang piniriso here. So ito yung siya dati guys. So history na lang siya. So ito yung the greenhouse guys, the greenhouse. So at ito na yung view ngayon, diba, during World War II. Buhay pa siya, mag-abandon na siya or naabay nagpuyo. So ito yung view dito sa other side. Ito naman sa likod. Fourth stop guys, kit na kayo kung bagtak ka. Can get people dito, kan di magulat og sunset. So dito na kami sa taas guys. Ito yung view. Yung mga tao naghihintay siguro to ng sunset kasi malapit na yung sunset. This side, tapos this side. Ay.
if you could, from, well, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Idziemy, spróbuj zobaczone, idziemy. Zjemy drugiego teraz.